The tinfoil shield actually worked.
Math, they do nothing!
You totally could have died.
Tinfoil shield, it actually worked!
Saved from the perils of destruction. My dad bought this in, I think, around 1983, the bug killer. And it's been on this same pole. The hook gave out. It used to go, you know, and be more of a hook. And you can see right here on the ring that that has worn way down in all that time as well. So it just kept wearing and wearing and wearing in that spot. And I had seen that. It was in a video, I don't remember which one, some time back. And I said, oh, I'm going to have to put some cable ties on that because one day that'll let go. And I did. And like I said, the tinfoil shield actually worked. It saved the bug killer from falling. It would have destroyed itself if that would have happened. That just sort of sits there. So now it's only hanging by cable ties, so I'm going to do the same thing on the other side and make it redundant. But it was saved from the perils of destruction of the years of getting old. Just wanted to show you that. I could get a new hook, but then that ring is shot, so maybe it can be replaced, but I'm not concerned because everything's going to hold just as it is, so that's how it'll have to be. At least the eagle is still there, so that's kind of cool. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.